Hello, today I'm talking about love. True love is good when you love someone, someone loves you. As you listen to my message today, God will bless you. Today I want to talk about love. Love your neighbors, love your family, love even your enemy. So God will love you. Listen to my message. God bless. Hi everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are looking good. I hope everyone is doing all right today. I hope everyone is doing all good. Today, I bring a little topic that everybody needs to know about love. Love is not something that we just say because of the feelings. You just want to. When you have a real love, you will know by yourself that you have a real love. It's not that anything you see or anybody you see, you say you just love. If you want to love someone, because a lot of us are making a lot of mistakes. We are making a lot of mistakes in our marriage, in our relationship. You say you love someone, but after you'll be cheating on that person. You say you love someone with your deep heart. When the person marries you, tomorrow you will change. Because it's not love you love. You just want to catch fun that time. And after you marry, you now see there's no love there. So when you don't have love in someone, you don't need to jump on it. If you're not loving someone, you don't have to be jumping on it. Today I'm talking about love. True love. Love is good. And love is so special. And love is so nice. Love is very so good when you find somebody a good partner. Love is so sweet when you have a good partner. Love is so sweet and very, very sweet when you have a good person in your life. But when you don't have a good person in your life, you say you love someone, but that person don't love you. There's no love there. When you want to love someone, find out this person love you or not. Because some people will pretend they love you, but inside them, they don't love. Some of them will love you because you're very hardworking. Some people will love you because you just want to catch fun that time. Some people will love you because the way you know how to cook. Some men will love you because they just want to catch fun, to use you to make shakalada a minute. My sister, my brothers, you have to be extra careful. There's a certain things we need to learn in life. What I'm saying today, when you love somebody with your true heart. Because you're going into marriage. Marriage is not something that you just enter and you say that you love someone. You just enter. Marriage is not something you just go inside and come out under 1 second and spoil the image of your family and bring disgrace for your family. And so when you're getting married, when you say you love someone, you have to show that person a real love. Don't love tomorrow you leave that marriage. Don't love tomorrow you just left in that marriage. Love someone with your heart. Love someone inside your internal heart. If you don't love that person, my dear, you don't need to jump inside marriage. Let love conquer all things in life. When you love your neighbor, when you love yourself, and love the people that are around you, everything you like in life, you get it. When you love a true people, when you love somebody, when you love your neighbor, when you do good to people, you don't have to be doing bad for people. When you do good thing for people. People favor you. Open doors you will get because love conquer all things in life. My sister, my brother, I'm just telling you about love. Love is good. There's peace in this world now. If there is a peace in this world right now, everything will be going well. No enemy in the world. Everything will be going very good. Where there is no peace, there is no love there. Everybody is doing his own thing. Everybody don't care what this one will say. Nobody care what his neighbor is saying. Everybody will be going. Anywhere there's no peace, there's nothing there. Come good there. But where there is peace, you see a good things coming out over there. Everything good will be coming out. But where there's no good thing, where there's no love, everything that everybody is doing there is nothing. My sisters, my brothers, this love that we are saying is not something that inside our mouth we just open mouth and say that is love. When you love someone, love that somebody the way you love yourself. When you love somebody, everything we conquer in this life, you will get it. Every good thing in life, you are going to get it. But when you don't love someone, you don't care about that person, how do you get everything you need in life? Because love is very special. And love is so good. And true love is so nice. When you see somebody that love themselves, then love themselves, you will see a difference. There's some marriages that you will see the way they love themselves. You know that this one comes from God. So guys, love yourself. Love your family, love your friends, even your enemy, love them. Forget anything we are doing in this life. Forget everything that we are doing in this life. Everything that we are rushing, struggling, hustling, everything we do in this life, forget it. You have to be stronger for yourself. You have to be very, very hardworking for yourself. And put God first in your life. If you're not married, if you're married, you need love there. Because love conquers all things. And true love is a very nice thing. True love is real. When you have a true love, when you love someone, someone loves you. No matter anything you are looking for in this life, you get it. Learn how to love each other. Don't be jealous in your friend. Don't jealousy to your anyone around you. Love each other. Be stronger for yourself. Love yourself first. So people will appreciate you, love you too. Don't look down on yourself. Love conquer all things in life. Love conquer every good things in life. Love conquer every nice thing in life. Love conquer everything, guys. No matter anything people said, you don't need to lose hope in your life. You don't need to look down on yourself. You have to be strong for yourself. Be happy. Be strong. Don't lose hope. No matter any condition you find yourself today, my dear, be strong for yourself. Love yourself so people will love you. Love yourself so people will cherish you. Love yourself so you'll be so strong. Love yourself so you'll be very, very strong in life. Don't lose hope in anything you do. And keep moving. Don't look down on yourself. Don't look down on anything you do. Be strong. Be happy. Love conquer all things. Don't look down in anyone in life. Don't say this one cannot make it. No. Don't condemn people. Don't condemn people. Don't look down on people. No matter anything, even though people are doing you bad, continue doing good for people. God will bless you and God will keep you alive. It's why I say about love. When you love, real love conquer all things in life. Real love conquer all things in life. Every good thing in life. Be struggle. Struggle for yourself. Very strong for yourself. And be happy. God bless you as you listen to me. It's your girl, AB Media. God bless you. Bye.